You feel like you're behind in life, like you have made no progress over the last few years. You feel like everyone around you is reaching places, but you're stuck in that one place. Then tell me two things. How can you tell like you're behind in life? Like, is there a race that I don't know about? You need to understand that everyone is on their own journeys. There is no race until we start comparing ourselves with others. Of course, there are people who have achieved so many things in success in a really short amount of time. But there are so many people who have to go through years of rejections, years of just waiting before they actually achieve something, before their dreams actually became their reality. So you see, there is no like a timeline, a set timeline which is like standard for everyone. Everyone is on their own journeys. Some achieve success really early in life, and some in their late 30s or late 40s. And even the people whose success feels like an overnight success, an overnight progress, they had their own years of waiting too, where they felt like they're behind in life, where they felt like that nothing is moving. Maybe they felt this way too. So, there is no race going on. You are not late, you're not behind. Everyone is on their own timelines. Second, are you sure that you have made no progress over the last few years? Because to me, it seems like that you have. You have made some progress. It's not only about the materialistic progress or the outside progress that we can see, that others can see. Maybe you have made progress in the ways you cannot see now. That inner progress. Maybe you have built a better relationship with yourself or with God. You have developed that inner confidence, that self-confidence. Maybe you have gone through some experiences, built some skills, even small skills that are shaping you into the person you're gonna become, that can sustain and that can hold that success for a long time. So maybe right now God is giving you that time to become that person who has all those skills and wisdom that is required for you to sustain that success for a long time. So tell me, how can you say that you're behind in life? Sometimes it does feel like, nothing is moving forward. You're stuck at that one place. But maybe none of this is true. Maybe you're so close to just having it all, to living that dream of yours in reality. You just need to have a little more patience, a little more trust, and keep taking action and keep doing what you're doing. While doing that, don't forget to appreciate the blessings you already have, the progress that you have already made, that person that you have already become, the support that you already have. The more you express gratitude, the more you appreciate the blessings you already have, and the more faith you have that you're close, that your dreams are gonna be your reality, that you're not behind in life, that you're on time. This energy is gonna help you to attract all those things that you want in your life a lot more faster. So it's okay to feel the way you're feeling right now. We do feel sometimes that we are making no progress, but that is not true. It is not true. So keep working, keep having that faith that maybe it's not your time now, but it's gonna be soon. Keep doing the work that you're doing. And if you feel like that you have not doing enough, that you have been distracted because of, maybe some things that came up in life, or you were not able to show up for the dreams the way you think that you should have, you don't think that you have given your all to your dreams until now, then start now. You can always start again. You're not behind in life. You're actually really on time. You're on time in your own life. Keep doing the work, keep showing up, keep having that trust and patience, and before you know it, you will be living a life that you dream about now. That was it for today's video. I hope this video helped you. If it did, share this with someone who might need to hear this message. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.